Hello everyone! So today I am going to be making a video about the process of cell division. The cell cycle is first divided up into four stages. The first stage is called G1. This stage marks the first growth period of the cell. During this phase, the chromosomes only have one chromatid. Now, a chromosome is a DNA molecule that contains the genetic information of the cell. And a chromatid is one of those two strands of a chromosome. The two chromatids that go together are called sister chromatids. Then after the G1 phase, we go to the S phase or synthesis phase. During this phase, the first chromatid is copied and creates the second chromatid, completing the chromosome. Next, we move on to the phase G2. This is the second stage of growth for the cell. The final stage is called M phase or mitosis. This is the stage where the cell actually divides. Now, mitosis is divided up into five stages. The first stage of mitosis is called prophase. During prophase, the DNA coils and the chromosomes condense. The next stage is called prometaphase, and during this stage, the nuclear envelope dissolves. The nuclear envelope can be seen as the purple pipe cleaners in my model. Additionally, the spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes during this stage. The spindle fibers are the protein structure that divides the genetic material of the cell. So the spindle fibers are attached to two of the spindle poles, or are attached to one of the two spindle poles. There are two spindle poles for each of the daughter cells. The spindle fibers attach to a part of the chromosome called the kinetic chore. The kinetic chores are protein structures that are on the chromosomes. They are often near a part of the chromosome called the centromere. And the centromere is where the two sister chromatids are the closest to each other. The stage the next stage of mitosis is called metaphase. During this stage, the spindle fibers move the chromosomes to the midline of the cell. The fourth stage of mitosis is called anaphase. During anaphase, the sister chromatids are separated and pulled to opposite sides of the cell. Next, the final stage of mitosis is called telophase. During telophase, the cell membrane pinches inward and it separates the two daughter cells. Additionally, the nuclear envelope reforms and the sister chromatids in each cell decondense. One major difference between the parent cell and the two daughter cells formed through mitosis is that the parent cell has complete chromosomes, whereas the two daughter cells each have one of the sister chromatids. And the cell cycle and cell division are extremely important. This is the process cells go through in order to reproduce and create more cells. You might notice the process of cell division going on in your own body when you get a cut or a scrape and it starts to heal. Without cell division, our injuries would never heal. So that is all for my video on the cell cycle. Thank you so much for watching.